Have you ever dreamt of buying a super yacht with Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies? The evolution of digital currencies has opened new avenues for luxury purchases. It has simplified transactions and made them more accessible to everyone. One such example is Denison Yachting, a broker that has embraced this change, allowing aspiring yacht owners to purchase their dream vessels using cryptocurrencies. So are you ready to navigate these uncharted waters? Let's dive into our step-by-step guide on how to buy your dream boat with digital currencies. Step 1 in our journey is finding the perfect vessel. Imagine the wind in your hair, the sun on your face, the endless horizon stretching out before you. Now let's make that dream a reality. Start by browsing listings, exploring the vast array of options available. Whether you're looking for elegance, speed, or a touch of luxury, there's a yacht out there with your name on it. Connect with brokers, ask questions, get the details. Once you have your dream boat in sight, it's time to make an offer. Now that you've found your dream boat, it's time to make an offer and sign the contract. The process is straightforward. You negotiate the terms as you would in any other transaction. Once you've agreed on a price and conditions, you sign the standard yacht purchase agreement. But remember, no upfront payment is required at this stage. Moving on to the next step, you're ready to put down an escrow deposit. But here's where the process gets interesting. Instead of a traditional cash down payment, you'll be using cryptocurrency. Typically, the broker will invoice you for a 10% escrow deposit. You'll need to connect your cryptocurrency wallet to a payment service such as BitPay. After verifying your identity through standard KYC checks, you send your deposit in Bitcoin. The transaction is usually confirmed in just 15 minutes. With your deposit in place, the broker will receive the funds as a wire transfer. After your deposit, the broker receives the funds as a wire transfer. So let's talk about how that happens. The payment service you've connected your crypto wallet to, for instance BitPay, will convert your cryptocurrency into a fiat currency, like the US dollar or the euro. This conversion process is seamless and quick, ensuring that the broker receives the deposit without any hiccups. Now, with the deposit safely in the broker's account, it's time for due diligence. This is an essential part of the process, where inspections, sea trials, and other necessary checks are carried out. You're still fully protected during this period, so there's no need to worry. It's all about making sure the vessel meets your expectations and standards. After all, purchasing a superyacht is no small feat. It's an investment in luxury and lifestyle, and you want to ensure that every detail is perfect. Upon satisfactory completion of due diligence, it's time to sign the purchase acceptance. With due diligence out of the way, you're ready to sign the purchase acceptance. This is essentially your final nod of approval, confirming you're satisfied with the state of the boat and ready to proceed with the purchase. This stage is a pivotal moment, as it sets into motion the final steps of the transaction. Now, with the purchase acceptance signed, the broker will invoice you for the balance owed. This is where cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin come back into play. Just as we did with the initial escrow deposit, you'll need to connect your crypto wallet to a payment service like BitPay. This will allow you to send the remaining amount of the purchase price in BTC or your chosen cryptocurrency. Bear in mind that due to the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies, the exchange rate will be locked for a short window, typically around 15 minutes. This ensures you pay the agreed-upon price without any sudden market fluctuations affecting the transaction. Once you've sent the balance and it's confirmed, the payment service will again convert the cryptocurrency into a fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros. This conversion process is seamless, and you won't have to worry about any complex currency exchange procedures on your end. With the funds now in fiat currency, the broker wires these funds to the seller. This is the final step of the transaction from your end. The broker handles the details of the bank wire, ensuring the seller receives the funds promptly in their preferred fiat currency. And just like that, the transaction is complete. The vessel's ownership is transferred upon the clearance of the wire, and you are now the proud owner of a new luxury boat. You've navigated the exciting world of cryptocurrency purchases, merging the realms of digital assets and tangible luxury. It's quite the journey, isn't it? So, whether you're cruising the open seas or docked at a luxurious marina, remember that this adventure all started with a few clicks and a digital wallet. Congratulations! The transaction is complete, and you are now the proud owner of a new luxury boat.